Question 11, paper 1, June 2019. Question says, write 0.0000845 in standard form. So, the question is 0.1234845 and we have to write it in standard form. In standard form, we move the decimal to the number, we insert the decimal just after the one number, and if it is 0 before the number, we do not count it. So 8.45 and multiply by how many numbers we have moved decimal from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 5. Now the standard form is 8.45 multiply by 10 to the power minus 5. Part B. P is equal to 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 11. Q is equal to 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. Evaluate the following. Give each answer in standard form. So P plus Q. P is written as 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 plus Q is written as 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. Now we just take the common number. Common is 10 to the power 11. So 10 to the power 11 is taken as common and the remaining is 2.7 here. Here only 2.7 is remaining, 10 to the power is taken as common. Plus 9 multiplied by 10 is remaining because 11 is taken common, so only one power is left. It is 1. Okay, 1 we usually do not write power 1, so it is assume that the power is no. So further we can solve this. It become 2.7 plus 9 multiplied by 10, 90, and we write the power 10 at right side. So it is 10 to the power 11 here. Further 2.7 plus 90 become 92.7 and 10 to the power 11. We have to move the decimal from right to left one digit, so it becomes 9.27 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. Because when we move decimal from right to left, power of 10 increase. We move one digit, so one power increase. If we had moved two decimal or two digit, the power would have been increased by 2 number. So the answer is 9.27 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. Second part is P plus Q. So P is 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. It is Q and it is P. Further we can write this number as 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. And further it can be written as 27 multiplied by 10 to the power. When decimal move from left to right, the power is less with minus 1, so it becomes 10 and it is 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. We can do some calculation here by cutting numbers. So 27 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. So the highest power is 12 and 10 is the less, so it becomes 1. It is cancelled and this power becomes 2 and this is cut. So there is no power. So 10 goes with 12, so power is 2 remain in denominator. And 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Now it becomes 3 upon 10 square, or we can write 3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. When we move this number from denominator to numerator, we change the sign of power 10. So the standard form becomes 3 or 3.0 we can write multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. So answer is this, or we can write this way. Now it is all about this question. If there is any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.